In this lesson, we will be learning about architecture view model. In the previous lesson, we have talked about UML, and in this lesson, we will learn about architecture view model. Architecture view model is a complete and basic description of a software architecture and contains multiple views. A view is a representation of the whole system. Views represent the system from the viewpoint of stakeholders, developers, and managers. Now let's talk about 4+1 view model. Philippe Crachin proposed 4+1 view model. This model concentrates on the multiple viewpoints. Multiple views address the different concerns and features of the system. The main feature of this model is to standardize the whole design of the software system, which can then easily be understood by the stakeholders. There are 4 views provided by this model. Logical view. As the name suggests, the logical view describes the model of the object. It's also called the conceptual view. This view is all about the functionality the software provided to the end user. UML diagrams like state diagrams and class diagrams are used in this view. Process view. The main duties of this view are describing the functionalities of different activities, capturing synchronization of the software design. It deals with the dynamic view of a software system. The main function of this view is to capture the runtime behavior of the system. Physical view. All the mapping of the software to hardware is achieved in this view. It shows the system from the point of view of a system engineer. All the topologies of the system are defined here. How the physical parts of the system will be connected to each other is also defined in this view. Development view. All the development variables are defined in this view. It describes the system according to a programmer's view. You can also call this view as an implement view. This view uses the component diagram to demonstrate the components of the system. There is another view for the customers which can be added here, and that view can be defined as use case view or scenario view. Why 4+1, not 5? The view described in the last has a special significance on the architecture of the software. Therefore, all the 4 views would not be completed without the use case view. To complete the series, all the 4 views combine with the use case view and termed as 4+1 model view.